Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Helper. Today, let's talk about how you can update Roblox on your iPhone or Android phone. Updating Roblox on your iPhone or Android phone is really easy. First, open your respective app store for iPhone and open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Once you're in the App Store, simply search for Roblox and open the Roblox app. If there's an update available, it will say update. Select update and it will download and install the latest update of Roblox to your iPhone or Android phone. After installation, it will say open, select open, and the latest version of Roblox will open. If for some reason you're not getting the new features, even if you've already installed the update, just restart your phone and reinstall the Roblox app, and there you have it. You have successfully updated your Roblox on your device. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.